Bonjour, bonjour, hello, hello. Another backtesting session. This week is gonna be from Monday the 9th to Friday the 13th. So 5 good days of trading of June 2025. We are in summer where things try to get a bit better. So now we're gonna be seeing euro dollar, hour 4. Guys, we've been on an uptrend, making new highs. Ooh, this is a nice liquidity target. Ooh, this is lovely actually. We've been in an uptrend. We saw a push from here. We did a new high. Let's see if we can find something to trade over here, guys. Monday, where's the liquidity? Where's the liquidity as of right now? If we see some sort of reaction, there's definitely going to be liquidity over here. And whoever has been shorting the entire Friday, because Friday has been an entirely short day. But guys, remember, people tend to close trades on the Fridays, and therefore they lose strength, right? We cannot expect for a Friday zone to hold as much coming up into a Monday when there's a new week. Anyways, let's see if there's a gap. Let's begin our fun backtesting session. Let's see how TradingView behaves today. Hopefully we don't have much problems. That's New York session on Friday. I'm just not interested to see this. Let's see, we get to Asia. There we go. We open the market. That's Asia, guys. We're now live traders. What's Asia doing? We saw this liquidity grab and we've been building momentum to the upside. So right now there's more liquidity over here, and all of this liquidity is from Friday. It's there you go. We're building more bullish momentum, and sorry. Right. It's Monday. We won't start trading until after London, because this is just gonna be traps and traps and traps. So New York session, Asia session, we saw consecutive highs. Bam, 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 bam. There's some liquidity build up over here, and now we are on a Monday morning. We're seeing this rejection, and London traders potentially see this. They say, oh my god, there's been a break of structure, and now we are in the order block that broke the structure, therefore I'm gonna go short. That is what people are trading, but you know what? I am just interested to see where the liquidity lies. I know that they will, if I see, well, we did see some reaction here. If I see a stronger reaction from over here, I might be looking to take a short position into this liquidity over here, okay? So let's go to smaller time frames. I don't want to be like a cunt that skips times. Saw some reactions. Boom. Alright. Let's go pause. London about to open. There we go. There we go. Speed and momentum. Okay. Oh, stop. TradingView, stop. Right? Guys, speed and momentum into the liquidity. All London shorters are trying to get short. We saw this. There's more momentum over here. There's going to see a rebound over here. This candle I do like quite a lot. Like, I'm going to potentially look to place a trade into from this zone all the way down. Let's see if I see some sort of reaction. This would be just straight up ideal. Not going to lie. There you go. So we saw some reaction from this order block over here into this place with speed and momentum. Did we see a 1 minute boss? Did we see something like a bit good over here? Reaction, boom, bounce from this over here. Will I be taking the short? London traders are going long. Other London traders want to go short. Because my target is over right here. Nah, I'm not going to take it, guys. I'm not going to take it. I want to see how price reacts. Probably price will react, but I'm just not going to take the trade. If I were to enter, I would literally enter where price is right now. Stop loss right here. but just it won't be my trade this time. Okay, why did I not like this trade? Because guys, we only saw one break of structure and then price came immediately here from a zone that, you know, it's still early. We haven't killed much New York shorters, London shorters. We just short this one. I just did not like it, guys. I did not like it. I did not like that setup. This liquidity now is more sexy. We have break and retest traders coming in, and we are reaching another zone. Let's see if we see something here that we like and we can potentially eat with potatoes. That would be a good trade. Price continues moving into the zone. There we go. We see some pause. Ooh la la. This looks better. London Open has finalized. A bunch of shorters are already killed. There's a bunch of shorters killed right here. Trust me on that. All of these longers, they're very happy. They have stop loss break even. These guys over here, we can see a potential zone into over here. Let me go into 1 minute. Let me see what we see over here. This looks good, guys. This looks good for a short. This one is made for me. So I'm gonna place my entry the 50% for 1 pip stop loss. Nah, I'll do the open, and I won't take this candle as taken. I'll do something like this. I'll get to target all of these fuckers. Fuck you guys. Fuck you guys. This is full of stop loss right now. Will we get tapped? Let's see. We are in. We are in the trade, guys. I could have been a bit tighter. To be honest there, I could have been a bit tighter. Right, so I got into this position after this liquidity was rated, after the London Open closed, the first 1 minute, boom. We saw that, I went in. Price came in and went in there. By now, would I go break even? Yeah, I might as well go break even, guys. I wanna move it to break even. Break even. No. I'm not out, son. If you see, my entry, which was this open, was not tapped. Right? Therefore, I'm not out. You faggot. I'm looking for my first trade of the week. 8 risk reward ratio. And price is going down, and we're gonna see some reaction here, which is gonna be absolutely lovely because we're gonna be building more liquidity. Oh la cita! It's gonna smack, bruv. It's gonna absolutely smack my TP. Just be patient. There we go. The chain, motherfucker! 8 risk reward trade. Voila! Voila! Beautiful trade. Beautiful execution there, gents. Did you realize what happened? 8-1 risk reward trade. Stunningly caught by the liquidator. Right, so to recover what happened, we saw a lot of Asia. London guys were trying to get short. They're really trying to get short. But there were some old guys over here profit. But these guys, because of the structure, they're trying to get short. Kills them once. I was about to enter short here, but then I said, you know what, I don't trust it. Kills them twice. We see my 5-minute candle, body wick candle. I say, you know what, short that bitch. We short that bitch, boom, straight into DP. I will take the entire position over here because that's 8-1 risk reward. That's a fucking wonderful trade. I'm not gonna lie. And price continues to potentially tap into this liquidity. Otherwise, we've already gotten good liquidity over here, and we will see a pullback. We will see a pullback potentially to over here. Potentially. Because Asia traders, who trades Asia on Mondays? Very little volume, very little liquidity. It's not much relevant. I might expect price to continue pushing from here. Do I want to take that long? Do I want to be Mr. Ping Pong? Can I be Mr. Ping Pong? Do I have the skill to be Mr. Ping Pong? Let's see. Price comes here, kills. You see, guys, these are not the biggest candles of the day. The way that we took this liquidity is not the fastest way of the day, and therefore, like, I don't see. You see, it went way faster on the way up. Bam, bam. It's the first time we killed liquidity. The second time we killed liquidity here. There's nothing to kill over here. It's slow. Nah. I'm not taking that long, guys. This can continue to go shorter. Right, so now we take this liquidity. We've seen this 1 minute. This is going to continue to go down, boys. Where is it going to go down to, though? That's a real question. Well, for sure, till over here. For sure, till over here. 15 minutes had the answer. This was the build up. We saw the reaction. Now, long as they're going to go over here. And yes, if we see some reaction, I might take another short into this other liquidity point right here. But no need, because price just fucking dump it. Mamma mia, what an entry, nigga. You could have just fucking held it for the entire week and just fucking not trade anymore, because this was absolutely crazy. However, we were just still over here, so we remain consistent to the name of our art. New York session. New York session, oh yeah. 1 hour. See a break of structure. We see how we break this liquidity. This is relevant liquidity, but people are gonna bounce over here because a lot of people are super short right now. You know, they saw this break, they saw this, they like it, and they potentially New Yorkers. I mean, we've seen all of this liquidity being built up. New Yorkers are damn son. What a beautiful downtrend. Bam, 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 bam. Beautiful the downtrend there. Beautiful the downtrend there. And therefore, people are looking to go short, potentially stop loss over here. See some speed and momentum breaking all of this liquidity. Liquidity over here. Have I taken, there's still some relevant liquidity over here, but this is from Asia from Friday. It's not that relevant, guys. That liquidity is not that relevant. Let me see what price does, because I don't think that price is very relevant to price anymore. Price just continues dropping. Now that's gonna start to be more relevant. Why? Because New York longers have seen a reaction. Just the fact that because New York longers has seen a reaction, this makes this price more relevant. There we go. Tap into liquidity. Bam, bam. It's just all gonna go down, bruv. By now, yeah. Ooh la la. Okay. This I like. So we tapped all of this liquidity. And we went pam, 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 pam. You saw that? Pam, 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 pam. If we see 3 minutes, speed and momentum, quick reversal, this looks like a wonderful long opportunity, not gonna lie. I don't think there's more relevant liquidity down there, boys. You know why? You know why, right? Because that's fucking Friday, man. This is Monday, and now there's all of these guys. I'm gonna take this other trade. Let me see 1 minute. Let me see 1 minute. Just from below this low. That's gonna be my entry. I'm gonna be looking to target New York shorters, which are all like to here. Not the best risk reward trade, not gonna lie. It ain't 8 risk reward trade. Let me tell you that. Guys, this liquidity was okay, relevant, Asia low, maximum. This is all Saturday, this is all Friday, it's already dead, guys. This is Friday. This ain't relevant. This ain't relevant. We're gonna see price bounce over here and we're gonna kill New York shorters. There we go. I'm in the trade, boys. Boomba. This is a manipulation candle, guys. Did you see that? Do you see why that's a manipulation candle? We saw all of this, went with speed and momentum into my entry. Huh? What do you tell me about that? Went with speed and momentum into my entry and bounce off we go. Huh? Do you feel about that, son? I'm gonna be my 10RR day, brother. This is gonna be TP, son. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. I'm break even already. Take profit filled. Mamma mia, what's up? What a beautiful day, eh? Do you see that, son? Wow. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful Monday, bruv. Bro, if you close a day like this, you close the charts and you don't trade for the entire week. Seriously, like, you don't need to trade for the entire week. If 10 where's your word, dude? I have a 100K account, bruv. That's like 10K. 10K on a day. Monday. Huh. What's up, bitch? Huh. It's gonna be very funny when this happens live. It's gonna be extremely funny. For now, I'm just backtesting. So that's gonna be Monday, gents. Stunning performance, beautiful execution there. Notes. Yes, I wanna make some notes here because this was a beautiful day. So this was London second reversal into the liquidity. So this is very nice actually because we saw a London box. We saw a price of a London box and then we had liquidity right here. So we had a London reversal, a London second reversal into the liquidity type of trade. And then we had a New York reversal. So New York was mega short. We saw some liquidity. Away from the liquidity. Bro, vaya día, eh? Uf. I was on fire, man. What a day, bruv. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this because this was just fucking beautiful. Create my Notion page for this, the liquidator. Setups, churn. Damn boy, if I trade every day like this, I'm gonna be a millionaire very soon. I'm gonna be a millionaire very soon. That's what's up. Right, that is Monday, gents. Let's go into Tuesday. For now, we are 10-hour week. There we go, Tuesday. Wow. Big manipulation to trade away from this liquidity. Look at that. Snap. Yeah, there's gonna be more liquidity here by now. It's still Asia, regardless. So it's gonna be London open very soon. There you go. This was out. So this was right before London open. Yeah, but this is already Tuesday, guys. Like, it's gonna be relevant liquidity here. I'm looking for potential short Bitcoin, but not just yet. Wow, beautiful execution there. Price just. So London traders, yeah, the guys, look, it's Tuesday. Yesterday we had a wonderful day. Swingers, like stop losses over here. The stop losses over here. Forget about this, gents. Forget about this. Because this is already Monday. This is already Tuesday, guys. There's stop loss everywhere. There's liquidity here, as my algorithm clearly marks, and there's liquidity here, as my algorithm clearly marks. So you know what I say, nigga? If you don't wanna fuck up, just wait. Right? Liquidity here, liquidity here, liquidity here, gents. Market is crazy right now. I'm gonna try to figure out what's happening, like precisely. However, I'm not gonna trade anything. London openers, they're looking too long. I'm gonna be rich. London opens. Liquidity over here, breaks this liquidity, you're gonna see some sort of rejection. Now it's not. We can continue to go up. This didn't go like, you know, too strong. Price reacts a bit, continues going up. Price reacting to this zone. Let's see if, bruv, please give me. Okay, so ting 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 ting. This guy's in short, stop loss right here. We might be looking to get into an interesting, because London traders, they were all long, and they were all looking to take long positions into over here. So we might just see a rebound from the SMC. I hope so, and then trade into the liquidity. There you go. Actually, it went straight into the liquidity. It took these two levels. This one it respected. That's fine. This is what was important. This one and this one. That's what's important. We saw this immediate reaction. New York just opened. Oh, New York just opened. So this was the New York open candle. I don't trust this. I do not trust this. You know why? Because New York opened at that specific time, and therefore, all of New York traders, I want to go short. Now, all of New York traders, top of range, liquidity, rebound, they all want to go short. So I'm going to try to long from here to here. Or after I take this nigga out, and I see a good structure, then I might go short, but not yet. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Guys, you see that? This is the same setup as before London, but this is in New York. So we saw this, we saw that, we saw this reaction. We took all of this liquidity that was spending over here. We've seen this break. What liquidity is left over here from Friday? Like, really, nigga? Do I really have to think about Friday liquidity in this case scenario? Nah, all the relevant liquidity has already been taken. So I am gonna be taking a short to smack all of these pushes, bro. Look at all of the people that are long today, man. Look at that. Euro dollar smack into the liquidity with speed and momentum, guys. These are clearly the fastest candles of the day. Like this ones and this ones. It's fastest candles of the day. Just saw the first boss. Sweet price taking sweet time to reverse, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Can go again. It can go again. Or it cannot. So why? This is the same that we saw yesterday, you know, the same shit, bruv. Absorption. Yeah, no trade, guys. No trade. We could have taken that potential short, but ain't gonna happen. And there you go. How was the trade? So way to get into this long. It was so dangerous, bruv. There was so much liquidity here. We don't know, bruv. Here we don't know if price was to do it like that. It's just no, it's too dangerous. Too dangerous, man. Right, guys, that was Tuesday, no trade. This was a potential trade entry. Why we saw stop all of that with speed and momentum. I'm trying to really understand price right now. So then this fucked me over, but you know, yeah, that's it. That's it for Tuesday, guys. Let's go into Wednesday. No trade for Tuesday. Oh, what a horrible range. Oh, what a horrible range, bro. Why am I there, bro? This is a horrible range. Guys, we're in the middle of a range right now. There's liquidity right here. There's a bunch of liquidity right here. Like if you see a higher time frame, gents, like we're just like trapped. Like as we saw this reaction, like guys, there's liquidity all over here, and there's liquidity. If I get close to a zone, I might trade into the liquidity or away from the liquidity, but boring day today, guys. Boring day. Asia. Nice. London traders looking to go. There you go. So, doom. This is perfect. I might take a short right here. There you go. Wow. What's up?
Yo, cousin.
What's up, Maximillonario?
What are you telling me, cuz?
I'm backtesting. I did a fucking beautiful trades, but I'm backtesting, brother.
Nice. And it feels like BTC is backtesting himself too, no?
BTC, I might short again, bruv, at 103,700.
103,700. Bro, what do you mean? He's already there.
It's at 103,300, brother.
You mean he's gonna shoot first?
I think so, yes. I hope so. So I can enter that short.
Yeah, I'm waiting to get these shorts. You're shorting the shorts, huh? Mr. Short.
I am
Mr. Short.
short pants.
Short.
Short pants, short hair, long dick. Or short dick, maybe. We don't know.
Short.
Brother, I'm gonna be here for like maybe 1 more hour and then I'm gonna go to Kite Beach. I'm gonna have lunch over there, kite surf, and then I'll be back in the evening.
Yeah, I'm going gym now. I've not been gym, I woke up late because I was tired as fuck.
Oh yeah, I woke up super late today as well. Not gonna lie.
No, but my life. When you do legs the day after, bro, it's a recovery is needed at least 9 hours of sleep. I swear.
Yeah, of course, bro. Of course.
And
Take a
I
lot of
feel my
creatine,
legs like-
water, salt.
I feel my legs are not in pain, but like I feel them. I feel like I worked out yesterday. My legs. I don't know if you have the same. especially the backside of my legs.
Similar. I'm not that sore. Bro, you know what I'm sore of? Bro, you're gonna laugh your ass off. I'm sore in my lats from lat dancing.
Of course, bro. You did the booty bumper. The booty.
No, bro, not the glutes. Not the glutes. The lats.
Ah, the lats.
From the
Yeah,
lat
yeah,
dance that we did yesterday.
Oh my god. Your lats are growing as we speak, bro. Jesus Christ, my bro. You're a killer.
Killer the Bruda, the
By
Bruda, the
the way,
killer.
bro, it's confirmed. Huh?
What's confirmed?
It's confirmed for Thursday.
For Thursday?
Yeah.
The conference.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Later tonight, like around, I'll be back home around 6, 7. You'll be home?
Yeah, for sure, 100%.
You're
Well,
gonna
I don't have any in-person meeting today, I
be
guess.
streaming, be working, yeah?
No streaming, yeah, later, yeah. The guys are coming.
Got it. I will kite surf and then I will work from the beach a bit and then I will potentially go to your place.
Yallah.
With
Okay,
speed
we'll see.
and momentum.
With the momentum, yeah. As predicted. Alright, buddy.
Ciao
I'll see
fratello.
you soon then, yeah?
Good day,
Ciao,
brother.
fratello.
Ciao, ciao.
Have a great day. Bye.
Okay, sorry for that, guys. That was a fun conversation with my brother Max. Say hello to Max. So we're still in the back testing. It's Wednesday. London opened. We're flying. Asia high was taken. Guys are looking to go short. Everybody loves the short. We saw a 5-minute breakout structure. Oh my god, this is amazing. I'm gonna get my chart. Still looking for these fuckers. The price is not gonna melt. It might potentially take this year, but oof, will I take the trade into the liquidity or will I just trade away from the liquidity? Oh, a reaction. Oh, a reaction. This is amazing, guys. Amazing opportunity to long that bitch, huh? What do you tell me? Would you long this, or do you think I'm absolutely crazy? You know what? I'm gonna take this long. Boom. Guys, what's happening? London was bullish. People are looking to short. Everybody's short. Everybody's super happy. We saw that. We saw the reaction. We saw the breaking structure. Oh my god, I'm gonna be rich. Oh my god, I'm gonna be rich. Everybody's short. Everybody and their grandma is short, actually. We saw this break of structure. We saw that. If I go to 1 minute candles, are these the fastest candles of the day? Well, we have very quick candles over here, and we had not the fastest candles of the day. Not gonna lie, this one was quite fast. What matters here, you know? Pam 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 pam. We broke. I'm gonna take this long, regardless. I might take a loss, but I believe that with speed and momentum, I'm gonna be trading into this liquidity. Am I right? Am I wrong? Am I right? Am I wrong? New York Open. Fucking New York. Why are you being so slow, man? Kabumbo! What's up, bitch? The ching, brother. Oh, so clear, man. So clear for trade, bro. It was so damn clear, man. Just absolutely smacked everybody else. You saw what happened, right? And I could have been much more precise, but I was being a fucking bitch. Whoa. That's a new scam. Guys, what a week. I'm 14 up for the week, son. Oh god. 14R for the week. Right, so the chain price flew. with speed and momentum into my area, but bro, this is the middle of New York. I've already made so much money. I am like, what the fuck is that? But yeah, this was so clear, guys. Look at that. Look at this setup. Break of structure. Rebound. The rebound. Taking the structure. Fuck this niggas. Absolutely fuck it. Will I get the chance to short this though? That's the real question. Because now, price is... I mean, it's a massive candle news. Not gonna lie, it's a massive candle news. That's for sure. Yeah, you have to be careful with these candles because price. There you go. Now we start seeing some actual reaction to downside. I was wrong. Liquidity right here. I mean, the 50% body candle, the real 50% body candle is right here. I'm not taking this straight, but just saying. This is the 50% body candle. I'm just practicing. A lot of liquidity from New York, a lot of liquidity from London. Everybody is short, is dead. Now we melt. Nope. I'm not in the trade, by the way. I did not take that trade. So yeah. Whoa. Hi. Right. So that was Wednesday. It's Thursday now. What a week. I'm fucking raining it, making it rain this week, gents. 14 risk reward for the week, and we are now on a Thursday. Oh wow. We're now on a Thursday. We saw some reaction from this order block. We're gonna go target this highs, motherfuckers. This is the reaction to this. We might see some small reaction, but really the liquidity is over here. So, if anything, just longing for today, gents. Asia. Yeah, no chance, bro. It was clear as day. Yeah, it's literally no chance. Actually, there was the chance. You little faggot. You little piece of shit. You little faggot. Fucking faggot. Yeah, of course. Breaking retest. No, I was not shorting this. No fucking way. Let's go back here, bruv. I went too far again. Too fucking fast, bruv. I just want to finish this back testing. I should be more patient. I should. Okay. Guys, all of this thinking out loud helps. This is how a mind of a trader works. You always thinking. You just have to have the best ideas and have confidence in your ability to trade, and that things will work out. So yeah, that's what's up. Right. So Asia session. This was the massive strong boom. These guys stop lost over here. these guys stop lost over here, these guys stop lost over here, and these guys are break of structure, liquidity breach, bam bam, liquidity breach, bounce 11. Yeah, taking that short is very stupid. Let me tell you that. Yes, I might not long that. I agree. I might not long that, but I'm definitely not shorting that. And price just say bye bye. Price just say bye bye. As I said, like the order, the target was at least this liquidity, at least. And now price is just flying. It's doing price discovery. I should have fucking held my long and I should have held my short, but what can you do? That's trading. Imagine, bro. Imagine. Oh my god, that'd be cool as fuck. Something like that. Wonderful. Thursday, New York. Price is flying. 15 minutes. Guys, trying to catch this reversal. Is it worth it? I mean, for real? I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure if trying to catch that reversal is worth it. Just interested to see how it's gonna be. London continuously fly. New York people are trying to get short. This does look like a reversal because I'm in the middle of New York. New York is want to continue to go long. We saw that break and this looks like a reversal too. If actually, I'm not gonna take the trade, guys. I am not gonna take the trade. I'm just gonna like laugh because I wanna catch the top. Boom, impressive candle with speed and momentum. So some quick reaction candles. And price just melts. That was the top. Clearly as day. Because that speed and momentum, immediate pause right after. We didn't take that. We broke that. For fuck's sake, guys. Like, come on. New York traders that went long are all dead, and now we are gonna take all of these. Still remain longers. Yeah, that was gonna be first day. Right. So Asia Friday, last day of the week, so I can go fucking kite surfing. Yeah. So breaks of structure. Price will react there for Asia potentially. Prefer this one though. Price just fucking melted. Asia Friday, we saw that massive liquidity breach to the upside. Crazy. Price is retracing. Price has to retrace. Liquidity is over here, but let's see. Is that really the target though? I don't know. I'm more bullish than bearish. But bull only with caution, bro. You don't wanna like just London, like you don't wanna be taking killers over here. No, you wanna take like a London killer longer or something like that, not like random killer over here. Asia, massive drop. Bam, bam, bam. Break of structure. Bam. Nice. Some liquidity over here. This is also going to be relevant for the day. We might see some reactions over there. London is about to open. So what are London traders doing? London are seeing that. They're seeing, oh wow. They're looking for the opportunity to go short. Absolutely, they're looking for the opportunity to go short. Seeing that, you know, that we've taken that. We have this liquidity to target. This liquidity, we have all of this liquidity to target. They're looking for the opportunity to go short. So London traders are looking to go short above here, because well, no, the first ones are already there. The first ones, they're seeing some longs over here. So this is gonna get tapped out, and whether this holds or not, because shorters are already involved. This might hold, and this is gonna get tapped out. If this doesn't hold, I'm gonna tap this niggas out. Tap out, clear as day. Continuation, tap out, speed and momentum, took this liquidity. We can now short, we can now long this. It's right before New York, huh? Yeah, New York's about to enter, bro. For fuck's sake. Why are you giving this time, bro? So oh la la, look at this, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Speed and momentum. There's that candle. And let's see, because I don't know, I think it enters, it opens in like 2 candles, yeah? Which makes it a bit risky. There you go. Actually, no. You're looking too short. I mean, if you're, that was a good trade. Why? Because New York traders are gonna short. What do you mean? But it's going down, it's just a break of structure. It's going back to the sun. New York traders are gonna short this. It's gonna go all the way up here, even here. Let's see if we can look for some opportunities. I missed that one. I missed that one. I was going too fast. I was being stupid while backtesting. I did not realize that this was a perfect opportunity to go long and take it over here. And now London shorters are on the way. Sorry, New York shorters are on the way. There we go. Oh, yes, long. Yes. Guys, you see this? Perfect opportunity for New Yorkers to go short. That, takes this liquidity, manipulation, smack that bitch. Huh? Smack that bitch. Just smack that bitch. Right here. You see why we want to smack that bitch? Like, is it clear enough? Boom, boom, boom. This should hold. It's fucking liquidity. Yo, qué rabia, loco. You see why though? Those bitches, man. I would have gone again. Fuck that nigga, man. Fuck that nigga, bro. My idea was good. My execution was poor. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. End of the session. That was a massive week. All of my trade ideas, they were good. I didn't need shit. Had good trade ideas. There you go. You had any further question, guys? Like, do you know why that was so fucking clear? Shorters, like New Yorkers are looking to short. Bro, if you think like that, Bitcoiners are looking to long. Let me tell you that. Bitcoiners are looking to long. I'm so happy. Right, guys, sorry for the call interruption with Maximiliano, my brother from another mother, my fratello. I have a few trades for the week. Let's do a quick recap. This day was absolutely beautiful. Some trades in here were not taken because of the range. This is a clear trade into the liquidity, 14x. I'm going to take this as a loss even though I. So 13R for the week. Thank you very much and see you next time.